Hey there. Today we're going to take a look at the area of a triangle. Okay, so there you go, area of a triangle. And you're like, area of a triangle, but Mr. Whately, you drew a rectangle. I know. I'm going to use that to explain where the triangle area formula comes from. Okay, so over here we have your plain old rectangle. It's no big deal. You guys know what to do to find the area of that. You just take the measurement of one side, which is, oops, I got to turn on my tablet. So to find the area of the rectangle, you would just take one side, the length of the side here, whatever it is. We often call that the base or the height. And then the other side here. Since I call that the base, I'll call this the height. So the area formula for the rectangle is the area equals the base measurement times the height measurement. So that's for the area of a rectangle. Now, as far as a triangle goes, I can easily explain the formula based on this diagram, okay? Just gotta make sure I know how to do this program. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this. I'm going to cut the triangle into two. That's what happens when you bisect it with a line. So what I've done is I've taken the rectangle and I've spliced it, and I'm gonna let's go with rainbow colors. Okay, so so this amount of space over here in the rectangle is now gone if we cut it in half. And it's all gone. And how does that affect the formula? Well, we now are left with one triangle. And this diagonal splits the rectangle exactly in half. So the area formula for a triangle, I guess I'll take off the rainbow color. It's kind of neat though. So the area formula for a triangle becomes base times height divided by 2, because we've taken it and divided it into two parts. So base times height over 2. And that will always get you the area of a triangle. Okay? Now, not all triangles are nice, perfect right angles like this. The base and the height of a triangle must meet at a right angle. All right? So let's take this triangle that I've drawn or created down here, and we'll use that as an example for finding the area. Now, this triangle down here doesn't have any right angles. Let's call this side, I don't know, let's call it 8 centimeters. This would be 8 centimeters. Let's call this side 12 centimeters, okay? Now, there's no sides that come together at a right angle, you're saying, and that's accurate. So what you would need to find the area of this triangle at this point is you would need another measurement, such as, let's say this, it's 6 centimeters, okay? That way, we now have two measurements. We have this one here, which is 6 centimeters, and this one here. We can call those the base and the height. So if you're going to find the area of this triangle, what I'd like to see you do and do on the assignment is you're going to write out your formula, area equals base times height, divided by 2. Don't forget the divided by 2. That's often forgotten. Okay? Then you're going to go ahead and take the measurements from the triangle, and the base is 12 centimeters. We're going to multiply that with the height, which is 6 centimeters, and we are not going to forget to take that product and divide it by 2. That will give you the area of this triangle. So for us to do the calculations, 6 times 12 is 72. Divided by 2 would be 36. And then the units, of course, for area, all units for area are centimeters squared. So we're just going to write cm squared. The area of this triangle is 36 centimeters squared. That's it. That's how you find the area of a triangle. Be good.